So total chilling today. No filming, nothing. Just watching and eating. So after a very exhausting afternoon at Lakshamanpur Beach number 2, we headed for Lakshamanpur Beach number 1. On the way, we stopped to capture the vegetation of the island, which composed of large number of coconut trees. Now it was time to watch the sunset. इसका वो बन चुका है, रेशा बन गया। Actually, in addition to capturing photos on the way, we collected a couple of coconuts. After all, they were here in abundance. We bought our own nariyal. We're getting them. We found these. We bring our own. So bring this with yourself from your home if you want. Save some money. Here the uncle is informing us about the things available for eating on the beach. Things include masala maggi, tea, pakora, etc. Some people are suggesting good things. After we found that coconut we brought didn't contain much of the coconut water, and moreover the water was warm, we gifted the coconut to uncle. People in large number had shown up on the beach, and this must be all the tourists on the island as there is no other place to go. This beach is very interesting in terms of its shape. It has a V-shaped shoreline, and at its tip both sunrise and sunset can be viewed. In summer season, I guess. So this is Lakshamanpur Beach number 1. That is of course the west. So this becomes the north, and this is Havelock Island, and this way there's Neil only, jetty side. So the bad thing about it is like one side of the beach has so many of corals, which I don't like. That side has water and sun is setting on that side. And I'm eating this. There are a lot of coconuts on the beach. So total chilling today. No filming, nothing. Just watching and eating. For some reason, I didn't find anyone swimming. Perhaps this beach is rocky as Kalapatthar Beach. Anyways, wind was blowing very fast, and one by one we started ordering snacks available on the beach. We were not in mood of filming anything as the afternoon had sucked up all our energy. Sunset was so amazing that I could not control myself from capturing it. Also, there were few elements that got my attention. The sunset was more colorful here than it was in Radhanagar Beach. There were fishing boats, a fisherman coming out of the sea with his catch, and of course the sun in all its glory setting down. I could not resist myself from capturing these moments. The wind was very good and we spent an hour more after sunset. So we are here for this. ₹20 का 20 के 8 ये पोर्ट ब्लेयर से आता है ऐसा. This is Neil Market. Later in the night, I got high and took some night sky photos. I'm kidding, guys. Neither had I got high, nor I took these photos. I mean, I took these photos, but I was not high. It was just a normal shake without a camera stand. However, I took some decent photos and made a small night lapse video. I could not be awake for long as we had to wake up early in the morning for sunrise at Sitapur Beach. Also, I cannot put my camera for all night as there was some very sticky friends which won't leave us alone. So this is Sitapur Beach. Right now it's 5:30 a.m. It's a sunrise beach, so sun is about to come up. As with all the sunrise beaches, not many people come in. The sunrise was very spectacular here. The morning sky here was more dramatic than the morning in the Kalapatthar Beach, and the shoreline was also broader. There was a ridge on one side of the shore, which was very unique among the beaches we had seen so far. Amazing view. Also, there were no crabs here, and that meant we can take out our beach blankets and relax. That is exactly what we did. So it's 6:30 a.m. in the morning and we are chilling on the Sitapur Beach. Sunrise time. It's actually good. The sand is cold. Sun is just come up, so it's not that warm, and there are no people around here, so I'm going to sleep. So it's over. We went to Sitapur Beach and now we're coming back to our bamboo cottage. Sleep here. So this is me taking a 10-second nap to show you around the place. It was very interesting living in a bamboo cottage. Very positive vibes. Things get a little scary with bugs and all that, but it's okay if you see the experience that it gives. This bamboo hut can accommodate 3 persons, a couple bed at the top and a single bed at the bottom. The environment here was very calm and organic. And here, like rest of the Andaman, there is no Wi-Fi or even a cellular network. We had a ferry back to the Port Blair at 11 a.m. So there was few changes in last minute. Our ferry got cancelled. The sea link got cancelled, and now we are being transferred through ITC Majestic. Let's say ITT. So the pilot gets the best view, and rest of us, huh? Yeah, they enjoy the best view, and rest of us are like chained to our seats. So never take these private ferries. Yeah, we are kept inside like luggage. So except for their speed and the time they take, there is no advantage in these ferries. So don't take them ever. By the way, the view here is very good. That is some beach. I don't know. This is ITT Majestic, and it's good actually. The windows are open and less tinted. वो लक्ष्मणपुर बीच है ना? It turned out ITT Majestic was not that bad. Seats were more comfortable. However, they were still giving the feeling of a bus. Anyways, it was our last day in Andamans, and I didn't want to get any more mad upon ferries, so let it be. I shoot a hyperlapse video of the Lakshamanpur beach. You can see its V-shaped end. Like that, we reached Port Blair for our one last night in Andamans. We still had one evening to spend on some beach, and then we had to catch a morning flight back to our home.
Let's open. Okay. Clockwise this time.